Hi friends, let's work on our letters and sounds. I'm going to say the letter, the picture, and then the sound. Repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bear, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, egg, E. F, fish, F. G, goat, G. H, hat, I, iguana, I. J, jar, J. K, kite, K. L, leaf, L. M, mouse, M. N, nest, N. O, octopus, A. P, pig, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, ring, R. S, socks, S. T, turtle, T. U, umbrella, V, violin, V. W, window, W. X, X-ray, X. Y, yarn, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Good work, boys and girls. See you next time.